Hello, this is Lavaneti. Welcome to this tutorial for business users on SAP Group Reporting. In this video, I will walk you through two important Fiori applications, group data analysis and group data analysis with reporting rules. For reporting users, you will have with this space only GRP reporting. Under this, your three main apps are group data analysis with reporting rules, group financial statements review booklet. These are the three reports you consume. And in this video, I'm going to cover these two. So let's start with group data analysis. Here, when you click on it, it will open up like this, and you can see there is a upper section and the section on the navigation panel on the left and another panel here on your right. So the first top panel is the view. Normally when you load it, you will have a standard view. And if you want to make changes to this, if you want a specific fields to appear here for filtering the data, here you'll make changes. I'm going to show you how to do that, and you can able to save this view as your special view, and you can load it whenever you want. And let's start. We will first choose our reporting parameters on the top. The number one is version. Our version is Y10, and our consolidation chart of accounts is Y1. And depending on which period you are pulling this report, you will change the fiscal year period. And our consolidation groups are ML Inc. and ML International, Magic Leap Euro, Magic Leap International Holding. And the top of it that covers all the company codes and everything is ML Inc. So let's start with that. And period mode can be year to date or just for the specific period. And key date, that's a month end normally. And consolidation, unit hierarchy, profit center hierarchy, and segment hierarchy. These are all defaults, and we don't need to change anything for this. And if you are trying to drill down the report much further, you can filter it by profit center or any other consolidation unit. There are a lot of dimension filters that are available here. And if you make changes and you are going to use this report again and again, you can save this as a view here. All you need to do is, suppose, for example, if you want to see this for one profit center, you can just select that particular profit center. This is just for example. And then go here, click on the drop down, click on Save As, and give a name. And save it. If you want that particular view to be loaded every time you open the app, then you click here and then click on Save. And this particular view will be saved for your use. And then on the left side, we have a navigation panel. All these filters, you can click on Go, and the information is loaded. And then the second step is constructing your report. We have a lot of dimensions available on the left side. You can see you can drill down this report by any of this dimension. Whatever you want to do, you can bring it. You can either bring it to rows or columns, whichever you think you want in your report. You can also do it by functional area, fiscal year. And here, if I click on this, it will come to the column section. If you don't want it to be in the columns and rows, then you click on your rows, it will go to the rows. In that way, you can make changes, and it is that easy. You can even select and drop down. It will come to your wherever you drop. If you drop in rows, it will drop it here. Or simply by clicking on these icons, you can move it to rows and columns. And if you want to save this layout, all you need to do is select, save it as a bookmark. And with filter values, and you can save it, and a new bookmark is created, and you can load it every time you want this report. And you can also download it. Just click on here, export as, and you can you have the PDF format is also available for you to download, and whatever you want you can select here and just click on export, and your uh, export data will be available for you in your Excel sheet. The value, like the level of drill down you can do, you can go to the document level. From January 1st, 2026, we are activating the GRPL. When that is activated, you can drill down and go to the level of document to see what is the value of it. So that level is really available. If you see here, you can also swap the accesses. Just by one click, rows will be columns, columns will be rows. Like that flexibility is available now, and that level of drilling is also available to you here. So this is the most flexible and very useful reporting tool you have now. The next one is group data analysis with reporting rules. Here we created some variants for reporting rules. You can click it, and you can also use it same way as group data analysis. This is more like we can, like, for statement of equity, statement of cash flow. If we are not currently using the functional area based reporting, but in future if we want, we have the possibility here to create those hierarchies and easily access those reports by click and here. So right now we're not into that functional level of reporting, but this is just to tell you that we have this available in our system now. So the purpose of these apps is mainly to query the consolidated financial data for a specific period, version, and consolidation group. We can slice and dice the data using different dimensions. We can just move the data across rows and columns. We can just drill down to granular levels like FS item level, partner unit level, or transaction type level. And then we can validate and analyze our balances. And then we can also export it to a CSV or Excel sheet form or PDF. That's all for this Fiori app. Thank you.